I am upgrading the transmission bolts for this thing. They used to be 1/2 inch. I'm going to 5/16 because that's basically all I have room for. All I did was retap all the holes. I think 4 out of 6 of the old holes were like wallowed out, and the case was just like moving around while I was mowing. I just replaced the drive belt. It was $11 at Advanced Auto because I didn't feel like going to the Exmark dealer. But I don't have the right grease either. We'll see how long this thing lasts. Should be good. But I'm just waiting for my drill to charge. This safety was also disabled. So I'm adding this kill switch because it's way faster than it was with first and second gear. But I'll be putting it right here. Little kill switch lanyard. Just wire it up to this. Probably gonna unbolt these levers because I definitely don't want it to die, or I don't want to hook up the old system because nobody's trying to hold those down, man. So kill switch it is. These are the bolts. Can't get regular heads because they won't fit. So definitely sockets. 5/16, 18. I just drilled out the holes for the case. I tried tapping them first, but it didn't work out. So I just drilled the holes for the case and just straight re-tapped these to 5/16, 18. And we're gonna bolt it back up. Should be pretty painless. All right, I got this thing wired up. That loose wire was not a kill, but this plug is. But I also lost the screw. But it does work as a kill. I just don't know where the screw went. I'm gonna have to get one tomorrow, but yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. That's about it. I guess that's it. No screw. Motherfucker. I found the screw walking in the driveway. How sick is that? So the kill switch wire is a kill switch wire, but only if it's in gear. So this needs to be disconnected, and that will keep it running. So on, this stays disconnected all the time because of the new switch. Off. So this was a kill switch, but in line with whatever that is down there. So yeah, kill lanyard. Disconnected this and wired in series with one of these legs. That's it.